Good day, traders. This is Rich with ForexNewsTrader.com coming live with some binary action on April 16th, 2012. It's currently 9:19 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And what I am looking at right now is a pound dollar trade here. It's forming pretty quick. I'm looking for a call option, and I still have about 5 minutes to get in the trade, but I'm letting this develop a little bit. We've had some nice moves down over the past couple days, trading days, and now we're moving back up. So that's what I am looking at the moment. And I just got in here. I'm trying to get in here. Okay, so I'm in. You see this little curvature here. I was letting this consolidate a couple seconds, but then I figured a pop was due, and actually it's coming in now after this pullback. And we had this nice jitter chatter up, and then we had this nice pullback. So now I'm looking for it to move up into the green area, in the money area, and my target price is 1.58368, and we're currently at 1.58397. So well, of course now it's going to pull back, but we're in favor of about 3 pips at the moment. Right after we got in, that always feels good when you get a pop right when you get in. That's why you have to pick your spots when you place your trades. And this was traded more on price action and the retracement we just saw. I have a feeling the euro and the pound want to move up based on the last couple of days of just getting hammered pretty good, and U.S. markets are going to open the next 9 minutes. So what we're going to do is we're going to watch this. We still have some time. We still have 8 minutes to go, and once it's done, I'll go over what I was really looking at in a little bit more detail. But for now, we have a winning trade at the moment. I'm not going to say anything because it's only up 5 pips, but that's still a good one. It's about 2 3/4 star trade. Nothing crazy, but enough to, I got the price I wanted. The question is whether my entry was a little early or not. So we'll see how this thing plays out, and we'll be back with you. It's Monday, April 16th, 9:22 a.m. and trade of the day. I've shared this in the past, but I just want to share with you again what 24 option does is that when you're in a winning trade and you're up by a certain amount and there's still a certain amount of time left, they give you a close at price. If I win completely, my payout is 360 on 200. But right now they're like, okay, you can close and get 270 guaranteed. So that's a $70 gain for me if I close right now. But there's really no reason for me to take that, considering I'm in pretty good profit right now of 4 pips, and it's only going to go down, and it's going down right now. So hopefully the price holds. But as you can see, as the price fluctuates, the higher it goes, the higher this goes. The lower it goes, the lower this goes. So, I don't really look at this. I just want to keep that in mind for all you new traders or traders that haven't used 24 option, what this is and how it works. So it's a nice feature, but nothing I plan on using in the future. So we'll see how this goes. We'll be back with you in about 4 minutes. Okay, so we have about 30 seconds to go. I'm sorry for my coming back a little late here. It's going to be it ended up being a tight race here with 20 seconds to go, and I'm only up by about 2 pips, not even. Oh, I guess it is 2.5. We had a nice move down for a second there. I got a little nervous, but I think this is going to be a winner for our trade of the day on Monday, April 16th. If you could just close right now. Okay, thank you. You are now closed. And we had a $200 investment with a $360 payout. And we're going to go check the back end, and then we'll bring over a MetaTrader chart to kind of break it down a little bit for you. This one's a little bit more hairy, but I think you'll see what I'm looking at. So hang on a second. Okay, so here we are. We have the pound dollar, and we took a call option on April 16th, $200 invested, 1.58368, and it closed at 1.58394. Payout was 360, and it's currently a winner right now. A few minutes after the trade exited, we did see 7 or 8 pips in our favor on this trade, and it pulled back and made it a little interesting at the end there, but it still worked out really well. And let me bring up a MetaTrader account so you can see on a chart. This is a 5-minute chart of the pound dollar, and what I was looking at was this move down and then this break above this price. Once I saw this little level, which is including support level, this red line, which doesn't really mean much anymore because it's been chopping around through it, but it still is a factor when it comes into this trade. So once it broke above this level here, I knew that the upside had more potential. Although over this doji was really nice, this candle right here, to take a put option, I did not take it. And once I saw the price come back into this level, this is where I took it for a call option to move back up. So let's go to a 1-minute chart. Okay, so on a 1-minute chart, you can see as we flow down, this is pretty much where I got in on this candle here, and within seconds we had a nice move up, and then it kind of faded back in. But this was the retracement of this move here, this up move. And it was about a 50% retracement with this support, this little grouping here, this little consolidation. This is what I was looking at on that 5-minute chart. And once I saw that, I was looking for my entry here. You can see where my cross arrow is. And that's where I took my call option, and then it popped up. And obviously it's popping up again. It might have a little trouble getting through here, but once it gets through here, it might move up for the day. Depends on the U.S. markets. They got some good news just recently. So we'll see how that affects the currencies. And that's pretty much the trade of the day. So again, we had this nice move up, a retracement, and I was looking for the follow through up again. That's pretty much how I look at price action on a 1-minute chart. You know, once you have that, none of these, I didn't consider any of these retracements. You know, we need a solid move down, you know, over a course of 10 minutes or more, and this is what gave it to me. And then once I saw this little action with this consolidation, that's where I took the trade. So hopefully that kind of clarifies a little bit on this trade of the day. This is Rich with ForexNewsTrader.com, and please leave some comments. Like button, it always helps. Get some more traders in here. We've gotten some great comments lately, and I want to keep it going. So we'll see you for the next trade tomorrow. Have a good one.